afternoon, everybody. This is Obi-Wan K21 Show Me Drones. Today I have here my GoPro 9 Hero Black. I got some ND filters here from Polo Pro, which makes the pictures and the videos a lot better, you know, with the GoPro, with that awesome resolution of 5.7K. And I have the Max Lens Mod, which is an awesome lens, which you can create some beautiful shots on video, and the stability is something out of this world. But you know, I was thinking I should go out, you know, with a tripod and put this two together and capture some awesome shots. But then again, I was like, how about getting a little bit more creative? So I have an idea, and I think it's gonna work. Just hold that thought. I'll be right back, okay? Back again. This is Obi-Wan K21 Show Me Drones. Sorry that it took me a while to come out with a creative way to use my GoPro Hero 9 Black. And what better tool that this awesome FPV drone from DJI, the DJI FPV Flash. And as you can see, I bought this harness here, and this harness is supposed to carry whether it's any of the series of the GoPros, whether it's the 7, the 8, or the 9, which is the one I have. And it also will be able to carry action cameras such as the Insta360 X2, which I also have, which I am going to do a video testing that action camera and take some awesome 360 degrees footage using my FPV drone. So as you can see, I'm already set up. I had the camera mounted, and yes, it does have the Max Lens Mod on the camera, so you know that the horizon is going to be locked in picture. So I can't wait to see how it turns out. So I'll be back with more after I take this baby up in the sky and take some awesome footage with the GoPro Hero 9 Black and the Max Lens Mod. So stay tuned because I'll be back soon. All right, folks, as you can see, I have the FPV already turned on. I have the action camera turned on. I just need to hit the record, and we're gonna go take this baby up for a ride. So stay tuned. I'll be back soon. DJI FPV drone. Took it up in the sky with the GoPro Hero 9 Black mounted on top of it. I kind of like have the camera probably like 20 degrees maybe. So when the drone is flying, you know, it will tilt to the front. So I wanted to make sure that the max lens was able to capture, you know, that huge field of view of 155 degrees that the GoPro can record at 2.7 Ks, which is kind of like a turn off, you know, because it will be awesome if we can record with this max lens at full 4K. So it handled it really well, the FPV drone, with that huge camera, with that huge lens mounted on it. It didn't do anything crazy out there. It didn't give me any error messages or anything, or acting a little, you know, wild. So the FPV drone can handle that payload, and I'm sure that it will be able to handle that 360 degree Insta360 camera that I also have. So key takeaways that I learned from the FPV with a camera mounted up there, that, you know, you can mount a Hero 9, 8, or 7, or whatever GoPro camera that you have, and any other action cameras that are out there. You can mount it in this really awesome mount that I purchased out of eBay. I don't recall the vendor right now, but I think I paid like $10-12 for it. And you just basically, you know, mount it on top of it, and it did awesome. It didn't do anything crazy out there, but I was fine. I only flew in normal and sport mode because I want to make sure that, you know, nothing crazy happened. But if you want to take some awesome cinematographic shots with the GoPro action camera or any other action camera, I highly recommend it, that you can do it. It will take some awesome shots, and that way you mix up your creativity. The lens field of view is 155 degrees. You know, it's going to create that fisheye effect. So when you're taking footages, that's the thing that you have to consider. One thing I'll be doing in another video is to use some of the other lenses that I have, probably in a better day, because today is kind of like a overcast. It's not sunny out there. So I'm going to be using my Polo Pro ND filters all the way from 8, 16 and 32. The 16 and 32 is going to be your best bet when you're flying the FPV drone in a very bright sunny day. And the ones that the FPV has, which is also from Polo Pro, will do an awesome job. So this is all I have. I will be putting together this video, and you will see it, you know, when I finalize it and post it on YouTube. And like I always said, if this is something that you enjoy, you know, watching on YouTube, if you are in the fence of getting into the drone hobby, subscribe to my channel, and there will be more videos coming up. I will try to expand my creativity using drones, using tech, cameras, action cameras, you know, anything in order to make fun videos that I will be sharing on my YouTube channel. So this is all I have, and like I always say, stay tuned, because I'll be back soon. Hit the like, hit the bell for any future notifications for videos that I will be posting on YouTube. And if you like what you see, subscribe to my channel.